Okay, so we're here to talk about Sounds of Summer 2017.
Right.
He said wood.
Man, y'all looking beautiful. You ready to have a good time tonight?
With Slightly Stoopid, Iration.
Let's make some noise. Iration, J BOOG, the movement.
J BOOG, and don't tell me, the movement.
Sounds of summer in full effect. Thank you all for coming out tonight. We're Slightly Stoopid.
Yes. Very good. Yeah, I took it the brains on bread.
Summer of Sounds tour.
Sounds of Summer.
Did I say it wrong?
Well,
oh yeah, that was a different one.
Cool.
We like to listen to, we have the music out there. There's a couple channels that feature music like from the Caribbean.
It has more of a reggae sort of, rock and roll type feel.
Yeah, what we do is we go to the hotel and get an Uber. So we are going, where are we going, B?
We're going to Wolf Trap.
We take an Uber down to Wolf Trap. Wolf Trap's a national park.
See, Slightly Stoopid.
They spell stupid.
S-T-O-O-P-I-D.
Yep.
Like stool.
On our way. We're here heading up to the concert spot at Wolf Trap. What we did...
Wolf Trap is in Vienna, Virginia, and we were at the filing.
Vienna, Virginia. This was the one at Vienna, Virginia. They're going around the country this year. If you get a chance to see it, you ought to go see it if they come to your town.
God, how could I forget?
I would have caught that. No.
Check them out because I'm telling you, they're worth it. Good too. Every band that played was good, right?
Please. Line them up.
16 and 17 or
On, which is not seating and it's not covered.
enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Hey, we're missing cup holders.
How many people? He said about 3,500 people. It looks like it's more than 3,500 to me. About 3,500 people sit in the seating area, another 3,500. There's about 7,000 people that can show up to a concert there. Venue. So the venue, you can see up there. Next time we go to one up there, we'll sit up in the...
Oh yeah, why don't we sit up there? I want to sit up there.
Yeah, we'll do that next time.
I think we're early. Looks like we're gonna see the movement first. We're at Wolf Trap, BA. There's B.
The first band that started was The Movement. The Movement, I thought they were great. The second band up was the band J BOOG.
One good more time. I was a good guy. Good guy. Right in Mexico. I was a full time. So I've been high too much. Wonder how we had this chemistry. And even touch with my ass.
I like J-Boog.
They kind of rocked.
J-Boog was awesome.
I really wanted to see J-Boog play under lights, like with lights.
Yeah.
Like,
We got the world in the world, and we need it more than ever today. Stand with everyone, don't even get the hearts and the gift. Those who have been needed and the very it is. Nothing that we need is this world, nothing that we need. So, if I did every girl of me.
Iration.
next was Iration.
Iration.
Alright, so now we're waiting for Iration to come through at Wolf Trap. And here's all of our friends. I don't know what you can see because I can't see anything anymore.
And Iration was pretty awesome. In fact,
Gyration.
they were like, they really rocked it. Like, look at these guys rock.
This is when it was really hot. We had to move.
But they have some very familiar songs. Gyration. I like it.
And if you really are, can you repeat after me? Right. Let me hear you say, I feel good. Let me hear,
Gyration. And you're shaking? Shaking and moving?
let me hear you in the back. Let me hear you in the back make some noise.
Look at this, they're pumping out the fog. I got a fog machine. They're pumping out the fog from their fog machines. They had 3 fog machines. I think I need 3 fog machines for
No,
the
you
pool there.
don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Oh, yes, I do.
No, you do not.
And need another
You
one.
have spent way too much money on lights and sounds and speakers and music crap.
You know, I gotta make.
Something that will look out. And to my surprise, you open my eyes. I thought I was inside. Now every time you're working, your stories must become clear. Now there's no one else to ride. And I fall there. Hoping that you feel this way.
So with J-Boog and Iration especially, we started to really hear songs that we were familiar with.
I'm burning deep down inside. Oh, that I cannot hide. I know it's you and me, babe. That makes this world go round. Keeping your love.
That's what I'm talking about. You hear that?
Stereo.
I think we have a ghost.
Whatever. Next.
No, something moved over there.
Okay, I don't care. If it
Show me, here I am, baby.
picture used to be over here.
Whatever, Marcel.
We have a ghost.
Hi.
Look at that hot chick. Oh, that's you. And we finally get to slightly stupid.
Yeah. Did you know that they are an independent label? Do you know that they do their own thing? They don't work with like RCA and whatever. They literally have their own label.
Good for them.
Yeah. A lot of people showed up.
I know.
We went out for a break and we came back and there's all these people. It's like, where the hell do all these people come from?
If you get a chance to go see these guys, you're going to love it. This is a great way to start the summer, especially if you can see them now, right?
We go for the Muslim, my brothers love the Muslim, my sisters smoke the Muslim. Well, I remain here. How you feeling? My sister every time that John is at the football game. Guess what? The moment that the Sunday